I'm on page 35 of the exercise book, and we are looking at number 24. You are in charge of planning an assembly. How many ways could you choose an opening speaker, a main speaker, and a closing speaker from among 6 candidates? Well, order matters here. So we're going to do a permutation of 6 candidates, and we're going to choose 3 of them to fill these 3 roles. So we have, if you use the formula, you're going to have 6 factorial over 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 factorial, I believe, is 720. 3 factorial is 6. And that would be 120 candidates. Now, if you want to use the calculator, let's adjust our buttons here. You would need the permutation formula is the first one, and your N is 6 and your K is 3. So all clear 6 shift 1 3 equals, and you do get 120. So that is D as in dog. Number 25. A swim team contains 6 members. For an upcoming swim meet, the coach must choose a different swimmer for each race: freestyle, butterfly, backstroke, and breaststroke. The day before the meet, one of the swimmers is injured and will not be able to race. How many fewer ways can the coach now choose swimmers for the races? Okay, the word fewer is subtraction. Any word that ends in ER like that, fewer, taller, shorter, smaller, longer, stronger, those are always going to be subtraction words. Or not always, but most of the time. So we need to figure 2 permutations. We need to figure the permutation of 6 team members and 1, 2, 3, 4 races. I'm going to do it on the calculator. So I have all clear 6 shift 1 4 equals 360. And then I'm going to figure it again using just 5 team members to fill the 4 races. So 5 shift 1 4 equals 120. And then I will subtract those 2. So it takes out quite a few people from this race. I'm going to go with option B as in boy. Losing that one person means that you have much fewer choices for the order of the race. Number 26. Which question can be answered by calculating P permutation of 6, 2? And just for knowledge, I'm not sure it's going to help me, but I'm going to go ahead and calculate it. All clear, 6 shift 1, 2 equals 30. A panel of judges will select a first place essay and a second place essay from a group of 6 finalists. So that one looks pretty good, maybe. But let's look at the others just in case. There are 6 students running for class president and 6 students running for class treasurer. How many different ways can the president and treasurer be chosen? Well, that would be the permutation of 12. Choose 2. C. There are 6 possible outcomes when rolling a die and 2 possible outcomes when tossing a coin. How many outcomes are possible when both rolling a die and tossing a coin? Well, this is a form of compound probability. It's not really a permutation. It's a different kind of thing. 6 people are asked to form a line, and 2 of the people are women. How many lines are possible if the women must be next to each other? Well, this is going to be a form of a permutation where you have 6 people and you have 6 positions to fill. But there is that added element. I'm just going to say this is not the answer. And then E. A restaurant has 6 desserts on its menu. How many ways can 2 customers choose the same dessert? So this is 2 people, N would be 2, choosing the dessert. So this is not the one I want either. I like A on this one. And I will check these just to be sure that let me go ahead and do that now. Because we're to the end of that section, and I think I will stop the video. So this was 24 is D as in dog, 25 is B as in boy, and 26 is A. So we're good so far. And I think I am going to stop the video before I start on combinations at the bottom of page 35.